Hey guys! So, meron naman akong bagong product na trinay recently. And this is new to me. This is a sublingual glutathione. Usually kasi oral glutathione yung tinitake ko. Hindi pala usually. Talagang oral glutathione pa lang yung natatry ko. And then, eto nga, naging excited ako nung nalaman ko na meron palang sublingual glutathione available here in the Philippines. And this is the Biotad Plus. Wait, sana mag-focus. No? There. So, each box has 20 sachets ng gluta. Ganito yung itsura ng sachet. And bawat sachet has 250 milligrams. Actually, 2 sachets has 250 milligrams of reduced glutathione and 6 milligrams of vitamin E. So what you do is, tutunawin nyo siya sa bibig, and then wag nyo muna siyang lulunukin. Kasi yung ma-absorb siya sa bibig pa lang. Kaya nga mas mabilis to compared with oral glutathione, mas mabilis makikita yung effect nito. So, yung isang box has 20 sachets. What you do is, yung recommended dosage niya is 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. So, 2 sachets per day. So, meaning yung isang box, good for 10 days. And, I'm on my 10th day. So, ide-demo ko sa inyo kung paano siya inumin. So, yan. And then, bubuka ko lang siya. Ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko siya sa ilalim ng dila ko. Tapos, doon ko siya tinutunaw unti-unti. Wow! Mm. Mm. So, yan. Tunaw na yung gamot. So, ang usually ginagawa ko, mga 5 minutes siyang nakababad sa bibig ko. Tapos, nilulunok ko din siya unti-unti hanggang sa malunok ko na siya ng buo. Yung taste niya is medyo lasang gamot. Pero, don't worry, hindi medyo sweet naman siya. Para kang nagkikendy. Kasi meron siyang aspartame. Yung aspartame, ang ginagawa niya is minamask niya yung lasa ng gamot. Pero malalasahan mo pa rin kahit papaano. Pero tolerable naman. And, ganun talaga, kung gusto nyong pumuti, so tiisin nyo yung lasa, diba? Yung Biotad Plus, actually, meron silang injectable or IV glutathione, which is TAD or TAD, yung brand. So, yung makers nun, sila din yung gumawa nito. And what's good about this product is, it's FDA approved. They have FDA registration number dito sa box. I don't know if you can see it. I guess there. So, kung nag-aalangan kayo, pwede nyo siyang i-check sa FDA. Yan. So, makakasigurado talaga kayong yung product na tinitake nyo is safe and effective. And anyway, sobrang effective niya. Sa isang box pa lang, which is good for 10 days, is makikita nyo na agad yung difference. Mas whiter yung skin, mas blooming yung aura nyo. And also, malaki talaga yung difference ng sublingual compared to oral. Mas mabilis talagang nakikita yung effect. You can research more about that kung bakit mas effective ang mga sublingual glutathione. Just search for that sa Google. Kasi hindi ko na siya iisa-isahin dahil baka mas humaba pa tong video na to. Pero definitely, I love this product. I'm giving it 5 stars out of 5 stars kasi in just 10 days nakita ko na agad yung result niya sa akin. And if you guys want to purchase this product, this is available at Ageless Beauty Potions. I'll have the links of their website and social media accounts in the description box. So that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.